Hi everyone, welcome back to Craftiviti. Today we're making something super refreshing and perfect for daily self-care. A menthol crystal green tea soap using the new green tea fragrance oil by Craftiviti. If you love clean, calming and spa-like scents, you're gonna love this one. Let's talk about this fragrance oil first. The new green tea fragrance oil by Craftiviti has a fresh, soothing and slightly herbal scent that feels clean and relaxing. It's perfect for soap making, candle making, and other bath and body products. This scent gives a refreshing spa vibes that many people like. Let's get started on our soap. There we go, our soap is done. Such refreshing, awakening, and luxurious scent soap. You guys should totally try out our fragrance oil. We even have soap making kit that you can bring home and make it with your friends and family, or even with your co-workers as a team building activities, or just make it for fun. If this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And comment down below, what would you create with our new green tea fragrance oil? See you in the next one.